Improve your English skills in social situations. Learning English can be fun and useful, especially in social situations. Here are some simple tips to help you improve your English skills when talking to others. 1. Start with greetings. Learn basic greetings like hello, hi, how are you, and goodbye. These are easy to remember and can help you start a conversation. 2. Practice common phrases. Use simple phrases like thank you, please, excuse me, and I'm sorry. These are polite and show good manners. 3. Listen carefully. When someone speaks, listen carefully. Try to understand the main idea, even if you don't know every word. This will help you respond better. 4. Ask questions. If you don't understand something, ask politely. You can say, "Can you repeat that, please?" Or "What does that mean?" People will usually help you. 5. Use simple words. Don't try to use difficult words. Stick to simple words you know well. For example, say happy instead of joyful. 6. Practice with friends. Talk to friends who are also learning English. You can practice together and help each other improve. 7. Watch movies or listen to songs. Watching movies or listening to songs in English can help you learn new words and phrases. Try to repeat what you hear. 8. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Don't worry, mistakes help you learn and improve. 9. Smile and be confident. A smile can make conversations easier. Even if your English is not perfect, people will appreciate your effort. 10. Keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you will become. Try to speak English every day, even if it's just a few sentences. Remember, learning English takes time. But with practice, you will get better. Enjoy the process and have fun talking to people. Improve your English skills in social situations. Learning English is an exciting journey, especially when you want to use it in social situations. Whether you're meeting new people, making friends, or just having a casual conversation. Improving your English can make these moments more enjoyable. Here are some simple and practical tips to help you get better at using English in social settings. 1. Start with basic greetings. Greetings are the first step in any conversation. Learn simple phrases like hello, how are you? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Nice to meet you. These phrases are easy to remember and can help you start a conversation confidently. 2. Learn common phrases. In social situations, people often use short, common phrases. Practice these to sound more natural. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm sorry. Can you help me, please? Using these phrases shows politeness and makes communication smoother. 3. Listen carefully. When someone is speaking, focus on understanding the main idea. You don't need to understand every word. Pay attention to keywords and the tone of their voice. This will help you respond appropriately. 4. Ask questions. If you don't understand something, don't be afraid to ask. You can say, "Can you repeat that, please? What does that mean? Can you speak more slowly?" Asking questions shows that you're interested and helps you learn new words or phrases. 5. Use simple words. When you're starting, it's better to use simple words you know well. For example, use happy instead of joyful. Use big instead of enormous. This will make it easier for others to understand you and for you to express yourself. 6. Practice with friends. If you have friends who are also learning English, practice with them. You can have short conversations in English. Role-play different social situations, like ordering food or introducing yourself. Correct each other's mistakes in a friendly way. Practicing with friends is a fun and stress-free way to improve. 7. Watch movies or listen to songs. Watching movies, TV shows, or listening to songs in English can help you learn how people speak in real life. Try to repeat phrases or sentences you hear. Write down new words and look up their meanings. Sing along to songs to practice pronunciation. Watching movies, TV shows, or listening to songs in English can help you learn how people speak in real life. Try to 8. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning. Don't let fear stop you from speaking. Most people will appreciate your effort and may even help you correct your mistakes. Remember, every mistake is a chance to learn something new. 9. Use body language. If you're not sure how to say something, use gestures or facial expressions to help explain. For example, smile to show you're friendly. Nod to show you understand. Use hand gestures to describe something. Body language can make communication easier and more effective. 10. Join English-speaking groups. Look for groups or clubs where people practice English. This could be a language exchange group, an online community, a local class or workshop. Being around others who are learning or speaking English can boost your confidence and skills. 11. Keep a vocabulary notebook. Write down new words and phrases you learn in social situations. Review them regularly and try to use them in your next conversation. This will help you remember them better. 12. Be patient and keep practicing. Improving your English takes time, so don't rush. Try to speak a little English every day, even if it's just a few sentences. The more you practice, the more comfortable you feel in social situations. Final tip: have fun. Learning English should be enjoyable. Don't stress too much about being perfect. Focus on communicating and connecting with others. The more you practice, the more confident you become. By following these tips, you'll find it easier to use English in social situations. Remember, every small step counts. Keep practicing, and soon you'll see great progress. Good luck.